at the woods today by myself, and I think I got pretty much everything done. I talked with the excavator, and it sounds like next week he's going to get in contact with us for getting started. So I did talk to the town road supervisor, and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but he was asking if we were going to put a culvert in, and his recommendation would be that we would. Now this guy across the street here obviously doesn't have a culvert, and actually nobody else on this road has a culvert either. So he's like, I guess it's kind of up to you. He's like, with the amount of rain we've gotten this year, it might not be a bad idea. He was thinking like I think a 15-inch, 20 feet long. I know when the excavator came out, he said you don't need a culvert, that should be fine. And then the other thing the road supervisor asked was, well, are you going to blacktop the driveway? And I said no. And then he said, nah, I wouldn't even worry about a culvert then. So I think we're just going to leave that be. I don't think there's any reason to put one in. The amount of time that we've owned this, we've never had water in the ditch here ever. So I think it's highly unlikely that we'll have any issues. So one of the other things I did today, I put some marking tape on the string just so it's easier to see. So I'm sure they'll have to take this down, but it's really hard to see when it's white like that. It just doesn't show up very nice. So like I said, I'm pretty sure I got everything cleaned up here. I'm not sure that there's anything else in here that I would take care of. So we'll take a ride to the other end. I did some work. We had some trees dropped, and I took some stuff out as well. Alright, so over on this end here, what I ended up doing, there's a bunch of trees last time we took down, didn't get them all cleaned up. I got everything cleared out of the way. We should be good. This is the end of the seepage bed right in here. So that stump there. This tree here, that one's dead. That's an oak. And then this one here is also dead. There's no top or anything on that one as well. So probably no reason keeping those. We probably should dump those over too. So if I get to him before he gets out here, that'd be great. If not, it's not a super big concern. This pine I left for the moment. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave that there. There's a bunch of small pines in here. I got rid of all that as well. You know, there's a small pine there. I'm not sure how much further back I need to get cleared, but like this, I wasn't going to do anything with because it's leaning that way. That one I wasn't going to do anything with, or that one. That was it. That one down there is also dead. I could probably take that, and then you could get the stump out as well. That should be enough clearance. So the way that seepage bed works, that's the end of it. And it comes up here, and then right over here is where it starts or whatever. So, and I did some string trimming again around the stumps and stuff. That one I didn't get to. And then I did kind of knock this down. It was some high spots. So it should be good to go. Should be all ready, I hope. It was a great day for it. Wasn't too sunny, and the temperatures are real seasonally mild, I guess. The other day I think it was only like 60, I don't know, 64. So really comfortable weather for working. Not too hot at all. So yeah, we'll have to see. Maybe the next time we come back, we'll have a driveway put in. So all right, other than that, that'll be it for now.